Okay, now we have another major, minor, and perfect intervals worksheet, but this is slightly different than worksheets 1 through 3. In fact, as you'll notice, these are major, minor, and perfect intervals. Let's go over that. And this is number 4, worksheet number 4, but this video will also apply to worksheet 5 and worksheet 6. Okay? So you can use this video for numbers 4, 5, and 6 if the worksheet says major, minor, and perfect intervals. Okay, we're going to start by doing the same thing we did on our last worksheet, on the first 3 worksheets, and we're going to go ahead and put our little key with our half steps here. So we got P1, 0 half steps, minor second, 1 half step, major second, 2 half steps, minor third, 3 half steps, major third, 4 half steps, perfect fourth, 5 half steps, perfect fifth, seven half steps, minor sixth, look at that, it's right there, 8 half steps, major sixth, 9 half steps, minor 7, 10 half steps, and major 7, 11 half steps. Okay? So that's our little chart, and we'll be using that. Now, the instructions on these worksheets are slightly different because what we'll be doing, instead of naming the intervals, you'll notice we've only got one note here. So we're going to write the note above, that's a very important instruction, above. Write the note above the given note, which completes the interval. Okay? Let's look at our example. It's a minor sixth. We start with F, and this is how they got there. This is how we got there. So we'll start with F. And I would encourage you guys to find a keyboard so that you can count half steps. That's why we did this key. So perfect fifth, minor sixth rather, F. We see that a minor sixth is 8 half steps. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D flat is the one they chose to go with. So that's correct. Let's look at number 1, and I'll do the first 8 with you, and then let you finish on your own. I'll do the first 8 with you, then let you finish 9 through 24 on your own. Okay? What I'd like you to do is go ahead and write the number of half steps associated with your interval like this. So perfect fifth, 7 half steps, just to reinforce that we know what we're talking about. Okay? Perfect fifth, so we start on C. Remember, we're going above the note. So we're going to go from C and count up 7 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That brings us up to G. So we're going to write a G right there, and that's perfect fifth. And that's all you have to do for that one. Minor third. Let's go ahead and find the minor third on our chart. Right there, minor third. Remember that we've got 3 half steps. So let's find this E. Remember, we're in bass clef. Let's find the E. 0, 1, 2, 3. Going up 3 half steps. Look at that, it's G. It's a good interval. And as we do this, I'll play them for you. So our first one was a perfect fifth. This one's a minor third. Okay. Number 3, major sixth. Major sixth. We got to find that one. See how many half steps we need to do? 9 half steps. Okay, so we're starting on G and going up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip this. C. 6, 7, 8, 9. Major 6, 9 half steps. That's going to be on the top space, E. And here's what it sounds like. number 4, minor 7th rather. Remember that's a lowercase m. Minor 7th, we find that it's 10 half steps. So we're going to start on E and count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We come up to D above the staff. Hopefully your note will look better than mine did right there. And that's 10 half steps. Here's what a minor 7 sounds like. Very open sounding chord. Okay, and we're going to use that to build jazz chords later, so that'll be exciting. Number 5, major third. Draw the line and find the major third on our key. 4 half steps. Check that out. So we're going to go from an E, from a G rather. G is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. We end up on B. Let's draw the note. Right there. And that's a B. Next is let's play it for you really quickly. The happy sounding major third. Our next interval is a major 6th. And we can find it on the chart right there. 9 half steps. So we know we have to count 9 half steps. Make sure you're writing it in. E flat is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 half steps.
Yeah, I called yesterday and I asked him,
Major 6th.
she's like, it's a family. He said, that could get her to Walmart.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a C right there. And it sounds like this. Pause the video for a second.
Attention students, yearbooks are now on sale in the cafeteria. Yearbooks are on sale, $25.
Okay, now we're back. I apologize for all the delay and the noise, but that's how the school day is when it's beginning. Next interval is a perfect 4th. Remember, we're in bass clef. We're starting on F. Let's find the perfect 4th. 5 half steps. Starting on F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we have a B flat. We're going to write that. Remember to write the flat sign. And a perfect 4th sounds like this. Last one we're going to do, and then you'll be on your own, is a major 7th. Let's find that. Oh, it's all the way at the end here. 11 half steps. Starting on B flat. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going all the way up to this A, and this will sound interesting. Here we go. That's the sound. I'll play it for you again. It's extra crunchy. Okay. So go ahead and do 9 through 24 on your own. I encourage you to find a keyboard to look at and make sure you have these intervals written in before you start. Okay? Bring them in and we will check them in class.